Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to walk through how to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF, and it will be an step-by-step tutorial for you and also a quick tutorial. So I will request you to watch the video till the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So we are going to start a conversation. Okay, let's start a conversation. So I'm going to start a conversation. Then when it will be completed, then I will going to click on share. You can find out in the right corner on the profile icon. Just click over here, share, and you need to be copy this link, update link, and it will be copied. So a link has been copied. Now I will open in an incognito window and I will paste it in the and also hit the enter button. Once you search it, then you will get this kind of result. Eventually you can see this is our conversation. So I'm going to top and the bottom, and then I will copy all the thing from this page, and now I will going to print it. Just you can click it by Ctrl P, or you can do it by yourself this way. So just click on print. Once you click over here, now you need to be choose it portrait or you want it as landscape. So totally it's up to you. So I'm going to click on landscape on, and then I will select on as save as PDF. So you can see this is the option where, and I'm going to add odd page, then make it even page. We need to identify which one will be good for our video or our PDF. So this may be good. Let's check this out and let's select this, and you can see we have the option for save. Just click over here, save. Once you click over here, it will be saved as PDF. So our PDF has been saved here. Let's check out our file option and go over here in the download, and let's check this out. Yes, you can see our PDF has been saved. Our conversation has been saved as PDF. So if you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button.